can't find any milk to drink because I'm paying for all my fucking money.
I hate this day, screw this day, it's always been the same thing, groundings, punishment days, gonamators making grounded videos, and there's thousands beatings, tortures. I wish my family died. But anyways, I'm going to play games. Maybe I can go to my dad's torturement room. Oh my gosh, so this is all my dad's weapon. Wait a minute. Oh, I know what to go. I'm going to destroy this house, ha 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 ha, but first I'm going to steal a truck to crash into this damn house. Wow, no one is at the store, but there's only 2 people that are about to leave. Maybe this store's business is going slow, but anyways, time to go get the bomb to explode and crash my house. Okay, I got the bomb. How to heck am I supposed to get a truck? Yeah, I see the truck. Now it's easy for me to crash into my house. Now time to get in the truck to crash the house. Now time to crash into the house, yeah baby. Yeah, I did it, we did it, I destroyed the house.
Oh my gosh, Boris, our house is ruined.
Caillou, did you destroy our house?
We want the truth, Caillou.
Okay, mom and dad, it was me. WHO destroyed the house. The reason I wanted to do it is because I wanted to have fun.
Caillou, I cannot believe you destroyed our house and now we need to get a new house. Oh my gosh, Caillou, how dare you destroy our house and almost had our daughter Rosie and my wife Doris killed. Caillou, you're the worst son I could ever had. How dare you, Caillou? How could you do realize this could get you arrested? You're lucky you're nothing but a genocide killer psychopath. You committed lots of sins, Caillou, and will you learn with your parents? We try to be nice. And Caillou, you know what today is?
I admit, punishment day.
No, read this letter.
Oh no, I'm going to be killed on the spot. I better get the hell out of here.
Now time to die.
Let's get some ice cream because Caillou died. Let's go.